So the other day, when I was observing nature off the balcony, I noticed there's crows that are affected by the environment. And basically, what I mean by that is that some of them have been discolored. I thought it was by the sun, but no, that's not the case because it's not sunny every day and it's hasn't reached a record high of heat for the summer. And so they're going brown, and some of them are missing, well, more than some of them, most of them are missing feathers. And as they stretch and want to fly, it looks like something is seriously affecting them in a way that shouldn't be.